Hello, hi. Let me introduce myself. I am Jayaprakash and I am studying in class 12. And here is a short info about me. Few days ago, the competition Young Coder 2020 from Vawsum has struck my ears from my principal sir. Let me tell you what's about my app and what's the technical specifications of my app. So here is the definition of mouse function. Whenever the mouse button is clicked, it will redirect to this function. Here you can see that mouse is top level of M. It is nothing but it is opening of another window. So I have created a geometry of the mouses, and here is a label to instruct the user and direct the process and how to control the mouse using the keyboard. And I have created two buttons, one is start and one is close. Whenever the start button is pressed, it will redirect to the power function. Here you can see that while not keyboard is dot pressed. Until and unless X is pressed, it will keep on running. If keyboard is pressed left, whenever we click the button left, it will call the function mouse.move 50 minus 50 as the argument. And same like that, I have instructed all four commands, and fifth command is about clicking of right click and left click. In case you click the letter L from the keyboard, it will instruct the mouse.click. In case you click the L button in the keyboard, it will call the function mouse.click left. In case of R, it will click right.
Now I am downloading the brand new window. I will stay awake and turn off once when the download is completed. Because I am having online class in the morning, I need charge.
Low battery, please charge.
See, here is the function definition of power off. Here you can see clearly that there is a top level POFF, and there is a geometry and label entry, and I have packed the entry and button, two buttons you can see clearly here, and this is label, this is entry for getting the value, and when I click set, it will directly redirect to the function XSUT. And here you can see that there is a link. This is nothing but this is a link where the shutdown exe file is located. I am just opening the link after a certain time using the function of time. And you can see that I have created, usually it is in the seconds. To convert this into minutes, I have multiplied with 60 and converted again into string to concatenate both the strings, and called with the subprocess .p open.
Where is the screenshot button in this laptop?
Here is a function definition of a screenshot. I have, as usual, I have created a top level for screenshot and created a button take screenshot. Whenever the button is pressed, it will navigate to the PyShot function. So here you can see the definition of PyShot. S equal to py auto GUI dot screenshot. It is a function which returns us the screenshot value. So I have created a file path and ask the user to create a save dialog box and open the save dialog box and create a name and create the extension to be saved. Here I have given the default extension as .png.
How can I remember this password? Yeah, writing in the pen and paper would be the good way.
So here's the definition of password. Here you can see that manager has a top level and manager title, 3 labels and 2 entry boxes and 3 buttons: generate, save, search, passwords. So here whenever the generate password is clicked, here is a it will go to generate function. Here is a set of all passwords and picking up 8 random letters and characters from that and merging it. Here we're getting the password. And then whenever the save button is clicked, it will call the save function which creates a txt file passwords with the type of app ending. So it will write the password with that separation of comma. Whenever the search button is clicked, it will go to the search function and it will search for the keyword that you entered in the reference entry. And it will, if in case it found anything similar to that, it will create the split option with the help of the thing we have created in the previous save button. With the help of comma, it will split into two strings, and the second string is taken and pasted into the passwords. Here is the function from YouTube, YT as the top level, and here you can see labels and entries. I have created a grid to arrange them. There is a type combo box. Combo box is your new. It is just a drop down box. Here you can have the choice of videos and audios to select, and you have to enter the URL and choose what type of the download file you want and click on download. Whenever you click on download, it will redirect to the download function, and here you can see that it gets the URL, and with the help of PAFY, there is a generation of the best quality video and opens the tab with the link, download link, and automatically after 5 seconds it will press Ctrl S. Without any human activities, it will press Ctrl S to download and save the video. In the case of audio, it is as same as that. First of all, thank you for watching my video completely, and also the link for my application is given in the description box. You can check out that. But one kind request is that the Google Chrome and the Windows will inform you that don't install this application. It is because I am not a professional developer, but you can trust me, it will not harm any of your computer files.
Before installation, set installation directory as desktop because it's easier to create a text file without admin access for password management.